In this How to Generate AI Art by Using Stable Diffusion, we will explore the fascinating world of AI art and show you how to create your very own unique and stunning pieces using the power of Stable Diffusion in the easiest way step by step. Before we move into that, make sure to thumb up to this video. If you are watching this video for the first time, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. First we need to go to this URL. The links are in the description. And then click Download button. On the installation section, click Download for Windows. Next run the Easy Diffusion installer and then click Next to install. It took 15 to 20 minutes to complete, depends on your internet speed. When the installation is complete, double-click the icon on the desktop to run Stable Diffusion. Type localhost :9000 to open the web UI. Enter the prompt of the image you want to make and then click Make Image here. It takes less time to generate if you have more powerful graphic card. Now, the image is ready. You can hover the mouse on the right side of the image to see the options. You can download image, make more images that's similar to this image or upscale. On the right side of the panel, there is image settings which you can adjust the parameters such as the image size, image quality, or the AI model. On the image modifiers, you can play around various image styles. There are many styles you can adjust. You can make it more realistic or anime-like style. These are the style settings you can mix and match endlessly. These are basics parameters that you should know. Models are pre-trained Stable Diffusion weights designed to produce a broad range of pictures or a specific type of image. The data used to train a model determines the types of pictures it may produce. If there is never a cat in the training data, a model won't be able to create an image of a cat. Similarly, if a model is trained exclusively on cat photos, it will only produce cats. CFG scale or classifier free guidance scale is a parameter to control how much the model should respect your prompt. Sampling step. As the sampling step increases, the quality of the image generally gets better. Typically, this improvement is noticeable after taking around 20 steps. However, even as you move to higher values, the image may undergo subtle changes and become different, but this does not always mean that its quality will be better. Sampling methods. There are several sampling methods available, and the method you choose will depend on the graphical user interface, GUI, you are working with. Essentially, these methods are just different ways of solving diffusion equations. Seed. The initial noise pattern, and ultimately the final image, are determined by the random seed. On the other hand, fixing it would result in the same images in each new generation. The default model which comes with the installation is Stable Diffusion 1.4. It is outdated and we do not recommend to use. To find other models, go to civitai.com. This website has tons of AI model you can choose. These models are free, you can use without any subscription. But make sure you have enough free space on your drive. Some models require 2 to 5 gigabytes. Another website that we recommend is Huggingface.co. Select text to image and you will find models here. This website also has lots of model you can test. The first model that we recommend is Openjourney. Openjourney is a robust diffusion model for mid-journey visuals that is supported by Prompt Hero and is available as open source software. This approach creates excellent images that retain a nice balance between compositional quality and coherence. Another model that we recommend is Anything V3. This model is heavily trained by anime images. It generates anime-style images exceptional quality without sophisticated prompt. If you want to generate anime images to your novel or book cover, we highly recommend this one. To download the model, click Files and Versions tab here. And then select the file version. And click Download here. Next, go to Drive C, open the Easy Diffusion folder and then Models. And then Stable Diffusion. This is the folder where you add the new models here. To add the new models, just drag and drop the new model into this folder. That's it. To use the new model, click Refresh button here. And select the model. In this case, we choose anything V3. Let's generate some images by using this prompt. As you can see, the image quality quite impressive. Writing prompt might overwhelm in the beginning. An excellent prompt should be clear and precise. A smart method is to browse a list of keyword categories and pick which ones you wish to employ. Finally, you will get the perfect images that you want. Next, we want to test Openjourney. Select this model in your settings. I will set the parameters as follow. Let's generate some images with different prompts. We will generate images of person, landscapes, animal, and let's see how it goes. As you can see, the image quality is decent, and image style is more realistic. However, it takes a while to adjust your prompts and settings to make the generated images usable. Some images have no face or weird hand fingers. You have to adjust here and there to make it works. Go to this website to find more details about the prompt. The link is in the description. There are ready-to-use prompts with various image style. You can generate the images that look like oil painting or fantasy characters. For example, if you like this style of this image, click the link below. You will find more details about this prompt. This is the prompt. You can click here to copy. These are the settings details. There are details of the parameters and the model name. If you follow these settings, you will get the result very close to the example images. To copy the settings, click Copy button here. It might take a while to get your perfect images. There are many prompt variables you can test. That's it for today. Happy image creating! If you find this video useful, please like or subscribe. And also, don't forget to check these videos. Thank you for watching.